Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use St. John's wort full guide. Start by confirming dosage and interactions with a licensed healthcare provider before any use. I will describe common forms, how to measure doses in milligrams, timing strategies, and what effects to expect. Learn how to spot side effects, avoid dangerous drug interactions, and choose reliable products so you can use St. John's wort safely and confidently. St. John's wort comes in teas, tinctures, capsules, and standardized extracts, and each has practical pros and cons. I will explain how to convert tincture drops to milligrams and how capsule milligrams relate to extract strength. We will cover typical starting doses, when to adjust, and how to keep a simple dosing log. This will help you choose the right form and dose based on your routine and sensitivity. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel and get more practical herbal tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, and check the description for the link and other deals that I mention. I use small tech picks like this around my workspace when researching herbs, and I think you'll enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Safety is crucial when using St. John's wort because it affects liver enzymes and many medications. I will explain the most important interactions to watch for, signs of adverse reactions, and how to communicate use with your prescriber. Learn practical steps to reduce risk, such as pausing supplements before procedures and checking labels for standardized extract percentages. These actions help you manage benefits while minimizing potential harms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.